Imagine if Bitcoin loses 80% tomorrow. Your portfolio gets cut in half, and in the end, the gains from the past years are gone. Panic dominates the market. Influences disappear. But the real question isn't whether this can happen, but what you can do then. Are you prepared, or do you react emotionally? In this video, I'll show you my concrete survival plan for your portfolio. A plan that isn't based on hope, but on structure. And at the end, I'll show you exactly why such a crash can offer the greatest opportunities for building wealth in the long term. Hi, I'm Marius from 10x Invest, and today we're going to look at a scenario that hardly anyone really wants to talk about yet. What happens if Bitcoin crashes by around 80%? Not 20, not 40 or 50 like now, but 80. We're talking about a realistic scenario here. Bitcoin has already dropped by more than 70% several times in the past. So the question isn't whether that's impossible, but rather how you prepare for it. Today, I'll show you how I structure my portfolio, how I deal with risks, and which clear rules I follow during a crash. So make sure to stay until the end, because most investors always make the same mistakes during such phases. First, it's important to accept reality. An 80% crash is brutal, but it's not the end of the world. In every major market cycle, there have always been extreme downturns. But the difference isn't the crash itself, it's your preparation. So anyone who is invested with a high allocation will naturally react more emotionally. But someone who, let's say, still has liquidity to buy the dip will handle it differently. And this is exactly where I come in, because this is exactly where my plan begins. Portfolio structure before the crash. My first focus is always risk management. No asset should, so to speak, dominate my entire portfolio. Instead, I work with a clear percentage allocation. Bitcoin, altcoins, stocks, but also cash reserves. Why? Because in the end, it's not about maximizing returns, but about surviving. And only those who are truly the bravest and can hold out longer will win in the market. Liquidity is power. In an 80% crash, there is always panic, but in the end, panic is also liquidity for prepared investors. I deliberately hold back part of my capital. Not to catch the perfect bottom, but ultimately to invest step by step. DCA or dollar cost averaging only works if you are prepared. Those who are already fully invested can no longer act. And that's exactly what separates the pros from emotion. Quality filters instead of hope. Not all projects survive crash phases logically, especially with altcoins, many disappear. That's why I work with a clear evaluation system here. For me, the most important things are the fundamentals, the narrative, the tokenomics, and the liquidity. In other words, only projects with real utility and strong capital flow remain relevant in the long term even after the bear market. And this is where it is decided whether your portfolio recovers or suffers permanent damage. Control your psychology. The biggest enemy is not the market. The biggest enemy is your own behavior. Do you sell at the bottom, or do you use the phase strategically? Most people sell out of fear and end up buying back in when prices rise. But that's not an investment system. That's just an emotional reaction. And this is exactly where you need clear rules. Rules that you define before the crash, not during it. So an 80% Bitcoin crash would be extreme, no question. But it wouldn't be a coincidence. It has already happened in the past, and it can always happen again, because it's part of the cycle. So the question isn't whether you'll see losses, but whether you're prepared. With structure, with liquidity, and with a clear system. That's exactly why I built the 10x Elite. There you get my complete 10 times investment system with clear rankings for altcoins and stocks, structured market updates, and concrete dollar cost averaging analyses. So in other words, no hype, no panic, but ultimately a data-driven approach and a framework for you. So if you don't want to leave your portfolio up to chance, but instead want to go through every market cycle with peace of mind, you'll find all the information about the 10x Elite below in the video description. And now I'm curious about your opinion. Do you think an 80% crash in Bitcoin is still realistic? Will it still happen? Is the bear market maybe already over? Has it just begun? Write it in the comments.